Do you want to make easy money online with just a little work? Easy money and easy work. Just a few minutes a day and you can make a crazy amount of income without having to break a sweat. No skills, hard work, or effort are required in order to make money. Just a few simple steps and you'll be making a profit in no time. And don't worry, this requires zero investment, so you can get started anytime for free. You can even follow along while you're watching this video, so after you're done watching, you can already start making money. This is a completely legitimate website that requires zero referring. It's not an MLM or affiliate marketing, and you don't have to sell anything at all. It just requires you to sit down for a few minutes, do some small tasks, and you'll make a profit. This is a groundbreakingly easy way to make some quick income online in 2022. So follow along with the steps. I promise you, it's very easy and even a third grader can do it. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends. We post more easy earning methods like this in our channel almost every single day, so don't go anywhere. Tune in and you'll learn how to make a lot of money online. Okay, so why don't we get started for today's video? What I will be showing you today is a website called userlytics.com. It's a state-of-the-art remote user testing platform. A bit confused with the words and what it means? Don't worry, I will explain everything to you clearly. I've done through research about this website and can tell you that it works 100% legitimately. I will also show you how you can get started with making money on this website. No matter where you are in the world, you can do these easy step-by-step processes and be able to make money right away. So first, let me explain to you what Userlytics is all about. Basically, it's a testing platform where you will be a website tester. You'll be testing out different kinds of website, interacting with the platform, and looking at the products and services of different kinds of brands. It's a website where different kinds of companies can have their products and websites tested, doing tasks like quality checks or testing off the user interface. It's a very easy task, and it is so simple that you can even do it on your phone. No need for any fancy high-tech computers or fast-speed browsers. Just something that you can even do in your spare time. And it doesn't even require you hours of commitment. You can choose to do it for just 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes, and you will still be able to make money completely hassle-free. If you look at their webpage right here, they show you a step-by-step process on what you should do on their website. Number 1. Register and earn money. Of course, just like any other site, you would have to fill a sign-up form so they will be able to validate your account and you'd be able to start working. Number 2. Interact with a website or a mobile application. All you have to do is check out different digital assets from brands and companies, and they will ask you to fill up a form with your opinions on the website. It's very easy. You don't even have to say a lot of words for it. And lastly, get paid via PayPal. Depending on your test results, you will get paid from $5 up to a total of $20, and that's per application and website that you check out. So imagine being able to do this very simple task again and again, and you'll be able to make a large income profit. That's basically the gist of it, but you can check out more information regarding their system on their website. So don't be afraid to check it out. I promise you that it's 100% free and legitimate. So underneath this, we can immediately finish the sign-up process right away just by typing your email and checking both of these boxes down below. So easy, right? You can get paid a lot of money once you get verified, and you can start doing it right away. You can do it whenever you're free and also wherever you are in the world, whether you're outside, waiting in line, or perhaps just sitting around at home. They also offer this website globally, so no matter where you live, whether you're in South America, North America, South Africa, Southeast Asia, or anywhere in the world, you can start making money right away. The payment is hassle-free because they send your earnings via PayPal once your testing result has been validated. And so, you can just keep doing it again and again until you are satisfied with your earnings. What's more, they'll send you exactly what you need to do with the website. They will send you a link and give you instructions on how exactly they want you to test their apps. Lastly, they have a list of minimum requirements for the softwares and hardwares that they will require you to have. But don't worry, this isn't some high-tech stuff. Most of your electronics already come built in with what they are looking for. For example, a microphone and a camera. You can also check out Userlytics on Google Store because they have an application there too. Like I said, whether you're on your phone, computer, or laptop, you'll be able to do this so easy. To prove even more its legitimacy, Userlytics showcases some of the big brand clients that work with them, which includes, but not limited to, Microsoft, Dunkin' Donuts, Hotel Trivago, and Google. I'm sure you've heard about these brands before. Everyone has. These brands work with the Userlytics to find people that will test websites and UI design for them. Being a website tester is such a fun thing to do, and you make a lot of money with very little effort. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.